Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout to play along with my incredibly gorgeous kit from Mercy Tiara Kit Club. This is a March 2024 kit. Guys, we have Pebbles Cool Girl. We have got Celeste Gonzalo Rainbow Avenue. We've got Beevalence Poppy and Pear. It is freaking fun. Now there are a couple of little bits in these kits that are coffee and tea related. And I had seen, guys, I will eventually find the little piece that kicked this off. Let me see. There's a coffee cup somewhere. And is it in this one? I don't see it in that one. There's a coffee cup piece that has a little heart in it. And I don't know where it is. I don't know where it is, but I will find it. But it made me think that it would be fab to document this coffee that I had gotten when my husband and I were in Savannah. It was super fancy. I was like, oh, how cute. So I'm like, okay, but it's super brown. The background's brown. The cup is brown. I'm like, all right, got to do a little trickery. So, you know, I popped up a little bit of the saturation, made it a little more orange, and then I kind of blurred the background a bit. So we got fancy. Then I was like, all right, what can I use to further brighten it up? And I decided I wanted to use this Pebbles Cool Girl. I think it is stunning. Now, the backside, love this color. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and get, I don't know, how do I want to do it? Because I don't want to take off all of the branding strip if I don't need to. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just do a nice little come towards me kind of tearing bit, because, you know, sometimes you got to just tear some of the things. And I wanted to do maybe something a little narrow. Guys, I did another layout where I sewed down with this kit, but, you know, you get into these phases when you create and you just got to go with it. It's, oh, I just dropped some of my scissors. Oops. All right, I'll have to crawl under my desk. It's okay. We're going to make it through. So I thought what I would do is just kind of do a thing where the stripes are going down, right? I don't know why I'm making this so perfect. There's no reason for it. Okay, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to put it right on top of this gorgeous piece here. This is called Sunshine. So that's going to go down. And I think I'm going to go pretty central. I mean, the photo, I always offset my photos a tiny bit. Great. We have that. Now, the next thing I wanted to do is I wanted to use a bunchity bunch of these cute pieces. And I think I'm going to go ahead and color match them-ish coming down. I mean, this page right here is made for color matching. And guys, I've got to. Let's just go ahead and scuff it a little bit. It needs the treatment. It needs to have just a little love and or possibly a tiny bit of disrespect if you think about it, because we are not being gentle. This piece has too much of the white tear on it. It's too thin. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut out some of my cute little exclusive labels. I have that there. So I'll do one slightly opposite day down here. Let me do this one a little bit more to this side. Okay, because I want to see some of those stars. They're cute. There's these little stars on this print. Okay, perfect. I'm going to go ahead, trim that off. Now this already has a white border around it. I think I'll go ahead and, not this one. Where did I just put it? Oh, here it is. I'll go ahead and just give it a nice quick matte. That will be fun and nice and bright. And we'll pop it up. Perfect. Let me cut these. I want to get some of them, you know, like I said, color match. Oh, then, where are my big scissors, guys? I just had them. Then there are some things that we should take a look at here. And this might be a matter of color matching as well, but definitely got to grab this coffee cup, right? So that can be in pink. Perfect. And I can get a pink label. And I'm going to kind of do that going down the way. Now this phone, I'm going to, there it is. That is the thing that kicked this off. It is the kicker offer. So these are probably gonna have to go, ooh, I can go a little bit more like this because one's like a light pink and one goes into the purples. All right, that's kind of cool. So I'm gonna find whatever works. Like this aqua camera would be gorgeous, and work my way down. So it's gonna take me a minute to faff around with it. It's not, I can come down here too. It just depends on how many labels we have and what colors. So give me some time to do a little homework and I'll meet you right back here. So guys, I went ahead and grabbed all kinds of different things that fit the correct color story. Perfect. Now, you know how I said this coffee was from Savannah? I'm wondering about putting a title all the way up here that reads like Savannah Joe or something like that, because it would be the pink on the pink. I think that would be super cute. So I think the best thing for me to do now is to get these pieces tacked down. I can show them to you, guys. There is a lot here. I don't even know if I can use it all in these places, but I love doing that, like finding all of the things and then tuck, 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 tuck. So let me do that. And then guys, I will also be able to, because I haven't even looked at these bits yet, I'll be able to put little hearts in and like little things that color match from our smaller bits. I just did the larger flat bits to start. So let me trim them out. Let me pop them down. I'm liking where we're going. So let's take a look at some of those little bits and see what we can build in. I like where my clusters are going. I like that my title is beautifully tone on tone, and this is a matte finish. It's fab. I also added in some of this kind of like almond color with the plain black to break up the color on color on color. I could always also, which I have not done, go through all of these little bits and find some more things. I wanted to use that, but I wanted to pop it up and it was vellum. So I figured I wouldn't be able to do so because it would show too much. You know how the vellum can show through. Okay. So let's see. We have this. We also have, let's see, even these little bits are super cute and they could color match. So we'll see. We'll see if we need to use those. Let's start with our big bits here. And I could really use more green. Ooh, here's a green one. We've got some green leafy bits. All right, that is enough. I think that will make me happy because we've got a couple leafy bits. So we have that. I'm really just going to go down the thing and be like, okay, do we have green? Do we have aqua, etc. I also could use a little bit of this tone. So that might be cute to pop in there. Just, guys, literally tone on tone on tone. It has my heart. I love that vibe. Okay. This is a little bit of an orangey color, and we didn't bring in anything with that, and I like that idea. A little bit there. We have a nice bit of pink. We can always grab just a little bit of yellow with these hearts. I think are going to be clutch. Okay, so if we're going to do these hearts coming down, let's get a nice hottie pink. Kind of, that's more of that pink up there. Oh my gosh. Okay. It is definitely vibing. Is that even down? Kind of. That pink just a little bit more, and that'll help tack that down. Let's do a flip and see what we have here. Now, for this little aqua color, which I didn't get to use a whole lot just because it was mostly buried under the photo. But we can bring, you know what? I mean, I have some down here. No, I mean, I really should keep that concentration right there. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. Okay. Ooh, we've got a yellow button. I like that. And we can put it right there because I have another button here. So that's fun. That's cute. Can this button, it's more of this color, isn't it? Get tucked. So if I have one, there's one here. There's one here. What if I just kind of go to the side right there and it brings that cluster together a little bit? Perfect. Let me move these to the side. Let's look at these treasures of treasures. Oh, I love them. Now, this true orchidy color. We might have to work it a little bit. So let's go ahead and put a beautiful little floral piece there. Do we have, ooh, a little bit of this deeper color? We can put that right there. Isn't this fun? It's just totally playing with color matching and seeing how it vibes. Ooh, 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 ooh. I kind of want that right there. Okay. Still could use a little, no, I've got that deep, deep green there, and it's only a tiny cluster. I think that's fine. I've got a fishtail banner. I have got a cute itty bitty little, don't you hate it when you don't have words? I have one of these. Yes, I know what they are. Okay, I've got a cute little guy there. I've got some of them here, so I really played that up. Could kind of use something right there on the tab. Okay, let's look at this. Not bringing in the pears. Ooh, this is a really nice little piece of yellow. Okay, pretty. A bit of yellow. We've brought in that, I mean, this little piece would work with that color. It just doesn't have any meaning for the event we went to. So that's fine. And we have that and that. Okay, love it. Now a few enamel dots, guys. This might be done before we know it. So I can go ahead and tuck in this nice deep yellow right there, as well as one here and a little guy right there. Cute. So I have that. Definitely want to make sure to get a large sparkly bit down here with these gorgeous aqua ones. So we have that. Now the green. Ooh, there's definitely lime. I have 1, 2. You know what? I think I'll do the 3 sets with the purple. So let me just come all the way over here and tuck it in here so we have something to put onto this piece. And then the last thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and see if I can find a little wordy bit or something to go there, guys. And then this will be done. So I should go ahead and say to y'all, I'm looking at all the bits really quickly. You know, as always, I will have the links. Love. Oh my gosh, that's cute right there. You guys, I might put the word love because it does the color matching. Where is my vellum tape? Hold on. I've got a vellum tape that I think needs to get used right now. All right, I'm gonna have links down below where you can get your hands on these kits. You can meet us in the Facebook group, all of that kind of stuff, guys. And we will hang out and do all of the things. How fun. How stinking fun, guys. So lots of fun color matching, a pretty, pretty coffee, some of the coffee elements in this, and this layout and memory are documented. So guys, I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. I'm gonna make sure to put a few still shots to follow. Bye for now, friends.